Can you imagine a world where artificial intelligence, or AI, plans your entire travel itinerary? Well, welcome to the future. AI has already parked itself right in the heart of travel planning. Take ChatGPT, for instance. This AI tool has revolutionized the way we plan our travels, providing personalized itineraries based on individual preferences. It's like having a personal travel assistant at your fingertips, ready to suggest the best flights, accommodations and attractions tailored to your tastes, and the best part, it's available around the clock and can instantly process vast amounts of data. However, while AI tools like ChatGPT bring convenience and speed to travel planning, they don't entirely replace the need for human expertise. After all, travel isn't just about booking flights and accommodations, is it? It's about experiencing new cultures, navigating unfamiliar territories, and sometimes dealing with unexpected surprises. And this is where human travel professionals come in. Their expertise becomes crucial in evaluating and enhancing AI-generated plans. They bring to the table years of experience, intimate knowledge about destinations, insights into local customs, and most importantly, understanding of the nuanced needs of travelers. They can point out the hidden gems that AI might miss and provide invaluable advice on safety and local customs. So it's not a question of AI versus human expertise in travel planning. Instead, it's about finding the perfect blend of both. It's about using AI to do the heavy lifting of data processing and initial planning, and then bringing in human expertise to add that personal touch, to iron out any kinks, and to provide depth to your travel experience. There are countless real-life examples of how combining AI with human expertise has led to unforgettable travel experiences. From AI suggesting an offbeat destination based on a traveler's preference for tranquility and nature, to a travel expert recommending a lesser-known local festival that ended up being the highlight of the trip, the possibilities are endless. In conclusion, the future of travel planning lies in the harmonious blend of AI and human expertise. It's about leveraging the speed and efficiency of AI and enhancing it with the irreplaceable insights and personal touch of human professionals. This powerful integration promises not just a well-planned trip, but a truly unforgettable journey. Italy4real.com has been providing knowledge and expertise for travel to Italy and Western Europe since 1995. Contact them at info@italy4real.com and let them help you navigate the new world of AI and travel.